Welcome to my RJ Fishing TV. At present, my viewers, I'm Russell. So, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel RJ Fishing TV and please inside icon bell icon. Please this fishing method, the village is fishing, so let's see how they catch fish, all kinds of fish, how the fish are playing direct. This is a big fish, small fish, and wolf. Today I will show you the common fishery of village. I think it will be a lot of fun. So let's see how they do it. I love that I was among them. Wow, many fish, medium to long, large. It feels so good. Very excited. Hopefully you have as much fun as me. Thank you all viewers and all my YouTube fans. Thank you so much.